Hi everyone, welcome back to Basic to Finance. Today I'm going to be guiding you through an easy step-to-step process on how to export transaction history on Binance. Watch the video till the end to learn how without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to keep track of spot market crypto trades, or if you need your spot trading history for tax time, you can easily generate a yearly transaction report on your Binance spot trading history. Click open your web browser and go to the URL box at the top, type in www.binance.com and press enter. Make sure that you're logged into your Binance account by entering your credentials correct. Once you're logged into your Binance, hover over to the Orders tab at the top right hand corner and then click on Spot Order. From the left hand side menu, click on Trade History and now click on Export at the top right hand corner of the screen. Select the time period from the options displayed on the screen. I'm going to choose Beyond 6 Months - Custom option. Click the calendar bar to adjust the date, and from this option, it allows you to download a full year. Select your start and end date in the calendar and click on Generate. Keep in mind that because producing records uses up server resources, each user is limited to 5 records each month. Once you click on Generate, the transaction history will be generated and you'll be able to receive an SMS or email reminder. You'll need to go download in order to receive your CSV file. Also, remember that the statement download link will only be stored for 7 days, so you must download it as soon as possible. That is how you'll be able to export your trade history on Binance, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.